Hey, how's it going? Well, got another project, I guess you could call it, or another aggravation. I picked this thing up. It's a 79 Skidoo Everest 440. I used it for about 3 rides, short rides, and it just quit all of a sudden. And it turns out there's no compression in the PTO cylinder. So now we get to tear this apart and see what happened. It actually ran pretty good, I think. It was started really good. So we'll see. I'll start taking it apart. Alright, well, I'm proceeding with the tear down here. I think I found the problem. Let's have a look. Look at this, is the cylinder that had no compression. I think there might be a problem there. Not sure what happened with it. Part of that piston is gone. The cylinder walls are right in that one area.
Welcome to my